Hey guys, Michael from Jonard here. Just wanted to talk to you today about our TK-395 communication scissor and pouch kit. This includes our JIC 195 communication scissors, which feature nice Santoprene grips on the handles, which are comfortable to use. It also has this nice serrated blade on the bottom for holding wires in place, and even has this nice little notch to hold larger wires and cables. On the top blade, it also has two stripping holes for 18 to 24 gauge wire, and it comes with this nice H25 molded tool pouch. Fits snugly in there. It also comes with this removable belt clip, which can attach to any belt up to 2 inches wide. Thank you for watching.